Understanding. Consider the medium. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often pops up in conversations about communication, art, and technology. Consider the medium. This might sound a bit abstract at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. When we say, consider the medium, we're talking about acknowledging and thinking about the method or tool used to convey a message or create an artwork. The medium could be anything from a simple pencil drawing to a complex digital platform like social media. This phrase encourages us to think about how the choice of medium affects the message's reception and interpretation. For example, a story told through a book might feel very different when the same story is adapted into a movie. That's because each medium, whether it's text, film, or even a sculpture, has its own set of characteristics that can enhance or alter the original message. Why is it important to consider the medium? The medium can change how we perceive and understand information. It's not just about the content. It's also about how the content is delivered. For instance, reading a news article online can offer a different experience than watching the news on television, even if both are reporting the same event. Different mediums have different strengths and limitations. Visual mediums like painting or video can express emotions and details that might be harder to convey through words alone. On the other hand, written texts allow for deep reflection and analysis, offering nuances that visual media might overlook. Understanding the importance of the medium can be incredibly useful in everyday life. It helps us become more critical and thoughtful consumers of information. When you encounter a new piece of information, ask yourself, how might the medium be shaping my understanding of this content? This insight is also valuable for creators. Whether you're writing a blog post, making a video, or even just posting on social media, considering your medium can help you communicate more effectively. It encourages you to think about the best way to reach your audience and make your message resonate. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, consider the medium, and why it's such a powerful concept in communication and art. By being mindful of the medium, we can better understand the messages around us and craft our own messages more effectively. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Happy learning!